Okay, we're working on a drink cooler today. Replacing the compressor. Replacing the compressor and the capillary tube. Got the evaporator coil unscrewed from the top of the cabinet. And I'll unsweat that little small capillary tube there. We'll replace the capillary tube and the compressor. We'll put on a new filter dryer. It's the old filter dryer right here. Put on a new filter dryer. Pull the system in a vacuum. And this is an old R12 system. Yep, R12. I'll go back with 409A. Could have used Hot Shot, but I had some 409A that I used on a job a while back. So instead of going and buy some Hot Shot, I'll just use 409A on this system. Old Coca-Cola drink machine. Alright, we'll get with it. Okay, got new mounts for the compressor. I tried to clean up the pan a little bit. New mounts for the new compressor. Gonna clean up the evaporator coil. Install a new capillary tube into the evaporator coil and new filter dryer. That's the old capillary tube right here, and filter dryer. So I'm gonna clean this up and get it back together. Okay, we got the new compressor mounted. Got my process tube brazed in. We'll flow a little nitrogen and braze in this discharge line here. Keep in mind on these Tecumseh, small Tecumseh recips, refrigeration compressors, this is always your discharge line here. Always, always. But sometimes either this tube here or this tube here can serve as the suction port. But they say, according to the instructions, that the port with the largest diameter is the suction tube. So in my case, this would be my suction tube. This is always discharge. And of course, this smaller inside diameter will serve as my process tube. So I'm going to flow a little nitrogen, get the discharge side brazed in, and get back with it. Alright, everything's brazed in. New filter dryer, new compressor, new capillary tube. Leak testing right now. Make sure there's no leaks. Been holding it about 30 pounds for about 10 minutes now. And it's the old condenser fan motor. We'll clean it up. It still works, so I'll clean it up. It's the old compressor. Okay, back out here on our Coca-Cola beverage cooler. Got everything set back in place. Everything's installed.